Unit 1, Lesson 7, Student Example number 1B. If we take a look at this, we have to use BEDMAS. We have both multiplication and division, as well as some addition and subtraction in there. First things first, B. B stands for brackets. We do have an operation inside of the brackets that we need to do, so let's do that first. We can rewrite everything up until that point, so 1.8 minus 5.6 divided by negative 0.7 times. Now, if we take a look inside of those brackets, we have a negative 4.1 plus a positive 2.1. 4.1 is a larger number and it's negative, so we know our answer in the end is going to be negative. Now we just need to find the difference between the two. 4.1 minus 2.1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. And carry that decimal place down. Answer to that is negative 2.0. Next, if we take a look, all we have left is division, multiplication, and subtraction. Division and multiplication comes first, and the first thing we run into going from left to right is division. So we can rewrite this 1.8 minus, we have a positive 5.6 divided by a negative 0.7. So we know in the end our answer is going to be negative. Now in order to divide decimal numbers, all you do is get rid of the decimal in whatever you are dividing by. So we are dividing by 0.7. So let's move that decimal place one place over to the right. What we do in that, we have to do in the other number. Move it one place over to the right. So we actually have 7 being divided into 56. 7 will go into 56 8 times. 7 times 8 is 56. So our answer to that is negative 8 times negative 2.0. Next we have multiplication, so we can rewrite this again. We have a negative times a negative, so we know our answer in the end is going to be positive. And we have 2.0 times 8. When we're multiplying decimals, we just ignore the decimal for now. So we actually have 20 times 8. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 2 is 16. We moved our decimal place one place there, so we have to move it one place back. So our answer is actually 16.0. We don't subtract, we opposite and add. So 1.8 plus, and that has to change to a negative 16.0. We're adding a positive and a negative. 16 is a larger number, so we know our answer will be negative in the end, and we just find the difference. 16.0 minus 1.8. We have to borrow, so we'll borrow from here, making that 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Carry that decimal down. 5 minus 1 is 4, and 1 minus 0 is 1. Final answer is negative 14.0.